mother is behind bars tonight after her child and nephew were shot. NBC Local 33's Ariel Salk is live outside BRPD headquarters. Ariel, what more can you tell us tonight?
26-year-old Desiree Felder is sitting in jail tonight. Police say she didn't call for help after a 6-year-old and 3-year-old were shot by an assault rifle.
2 juveniles that arrived there suffering from gunshot wounds.
Monday, the Baton Rouge Police Department were called to Our Lady of the Lake Children's Hospital when 2 kids ages 3 and 6 appeared with gunshot wounds.
Detectives learned that an incident occurred at a residence where one of the juveniles took possession of a gun and began shooting, injuring the children.
Their gunshot wounds were said to be non-life-threatening, but detectives are trying to figure out when the kids were shot because they say their wounds were already healing. This week, 26-year-old Desiree Felder was charged with obstruction of justice and second-degree cruelty to juveniles.
It was learned that Ms. Desiree Felder was responsible for the care of the children at that time.
This investigation is far from over, and as more information is revealed, we'll post it to our website, brproud.com. Reporting live in Baton Rouge, Ariel Salk, NBC Local 33 News.
All right, thanks, Ariel, for that report.